Hi, this is Ninin Samurai again, and this is after we cook rice by microwave, and this is after 20 minutes, and we're gonna take a look at inside now, okay? And we're gonna open it. Just a second, right here. We're gonna set this camera right here, okay? Now, and we're gonna open it up. Here we go. How is it? Ooh, wow. This looks good, right? This looks good. Ta-da! Dun, 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 dun. See? This is the rice. And how does it taste? Look. Wow. Oh my god. This looks good. This looks good. This is only microwave. It's heated for 5 minutes, and then after 20 minutes we wait. And this is smells really good. This is rice. And how does it taste? Not bad. This is a little bit, it's a little bit hard, but not bad. Not bad for first time. Wow. Okay. Rice, right? See, this is rice cooker. And we got it. Only using microwave, and I just made rice for 150 gram of the rice. Okay. Okay. See you. Bye bye.